Scrolling through the memories of all the love I left behind, building walls around my feelings, one heartbreak at a time. Then you stepped into the silence with a truth I couldn't deny. Now the pieces of my broken heart are learning how to fly. You don't need 1,000 promises to prove that you are real. It's the way you hold me close at night that tells me how you feel. When the world gets overwhelming and the pressure pulls me down, your love becomes a steady beat that turns